Hello, how to solve for x and y from this given equation, s plus y is equal to 2, sy is equal to 20. Solution. S plus y is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 20. Let's call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2 minus s. Let's call this equation 3. Also, from equation 2, sy is equal to 20. We have s bracket y is 2 minus s. 2 minus s is equal to 20. S multiplied by 2, this is 2s minus s multiplied by s square is equal to 20. Then this is minus s square plus 2x. If you bring this 20 to this side, it becomes minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let's divide all through by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This is s squared plus 2s divided by minus 1. This is minus 2x minus 20 divided by minus 1. This is plus 20 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 20. X is equal to minus bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 2. This is 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared, that is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80. Everything over 2 times 1, that is 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 80, this is minus 76 over 2. Now here 76 this is divisible by 2, then we have 38, and this also divisible by 2, then this is 19. Then this is only divisible by 19 as 1. So here we have 2 square multiplied by 19. Then s is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 76 is now 2 square multiplied by 19 multiplied by minus 1. Everything over 2. Then s is equal to 2 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 2 square multiplied by square root of 19 multiplied by square root of minus 1. Everything over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to 2 plus or minus, this we cancel this, we have 2, square root of minus 1 is I, then square root of 19 over 2. Then S is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 1 plus or minus I square root of 19. Therefore, S1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 19, and S2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 19. These are the values of S. We've gotten the value of S. Let's solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 2 minus X. Y1 is equal to 2 minus S1 is 1 plus I square root of 19. And Y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus I square root of 19. Y1 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 19. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 2 minus S2. Y2 is equal to 2 minus S2 is 1 minus I square root of 19. Y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus I square root of 19. Y2 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 19. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 19, 1 minus I square root of 19. Also, S2, Y2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 19, 1 plus I square root of 19. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 2. Sy is equal to 20. Let's consider this. S plus Y is equal to, let me make use of S1, Y1. We have 1 plus I square root of 19 plus 1 minus I square root of 19 must be equal to 2. This will cancel this. Here is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 must be equal to 2. Then we have 2 is equal to 2, which is true. Now let's consider this. Sy is equal to 1 plus I root 19 multiplied by 1 minus I root 19 must be equal to 20. 1 times 1, that is 1, minus 1 times I root 19, this is I root 19, plus I root 19 multiplied by 1, this is I root 19, then minus I root 19, plus I root 19 multiplied by minus I root 19, this will be minus I square multiplied by square root of 19 square must be equal to 20. Here, this will cancel this. You have 1 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by this will cancel this. 19 must be equal to 20. This is 1 minus times minus, that is plus. 1 times 19, that is 19. We have plus 19 must be equal to 20. Then the left hand side, 20 is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.